Agent 6, you told us you're taking us to the heart of the operation.
Right. The heart of the operation. This way.
Am I right? Am I right? How can you use it now? It's 6 feet in diameter and weighs 500 pounds.
Let's criticizing. We're helping.
I'm steering in the direction of hallway 12. We can isolate it in the atrium.
We've got to continue now.
No, sorry. I'll be reading this back.
Hallway 21.
Rex, hallway 21 leads to the central core.
Okay, that's a cool nuclear reactor. Electric, right?
Rex, all electricity is converted from something. Wind, solar, hydro, at the central core. Rex, listen carefully and do exactly as I say, because we're only going to get one shot at this. One short hit.